Somebody got mad. What's that all about? Oh, there's a Widowmaker. Check that out. Is that where all the scratched off bark came from too? Holy cow. That's high up there. How did that happen? It fell so perfectly right into that other tree. And that's pretty high. Huh. Look at that one stuck in the ground. Somebody got angry. Looks like reminds me of Thor's hammer. Spear of Destiny. All those cool stories. It's much better to escape into a story today compared to the Hades that we seem to be living in. Look how cute. Sammy's watching the baby squirrel eat. We call them all babies, that way Sammy knows to be easy with them. Is that your friend? Is that your friend? Careful, you don't want to fall off. Hi, bud. It took several days. I thought the seeds were bad or there was something wrong. Every time I have some joy, something seems to happen to take it away. Have you felt like that recently? Abide in your joy that is within. Live in these moments. They might be short and they might have long gaps in between, but enjoy them. Sorry the screen's in the way, guys.